Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the mimic octopus. This master of disguise captivates scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. Get ready to be amazed by 50 tricks of this incredible cephalopod. Venture into the coral gardens and muddy plains of the Indo-Pacific, where we'll uncover the secrets of an animal that defies its species boundaries. The mimic octopus can change its shape and color, blending seamlessly with its surroundings. This remarkable creature mimics up to 15 species, showcasing its status as one of nature's greatest impersonators. It mimics venomous creatures like lionfish, flatfish, and sea snakes, showcasing the effectiveness of its mimicry. Chapter 4. A recent discovery. The fascinating mimic octopus was only discovered in 1998, making it a relatively recent and exciting find for the scientific community and marine biologists. Mimicry for survival. This adaptation serves as a defense strategy, allowing the mimic octopus to avoid predators. Chapter 6. A tropical abode. The mimic octopus lives in the tropical Indo-Pacific, especially near Indonesia and Malaysia. Chapter 7. Hiding in plain sight. It prefers shallow, muddy seafloors where it can disappear among sediment and coral. Chapter 8. An intelligent impressionist. The mimic octopus is highly intelligent, learning from its environment to decide which animal to mimic for the best chance of survival in the wild. Chapter 9. The flatfish illusion. When threatened, it stretches out its arms and moves like a poisonous flatfish, creating the illusion of a much larger, more dangerous predator. Chapter 10. The jellyfish waltz. The mimic octopus can even mimic a jellyfish by pulling its arms close to its body and undulating through the water, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. Chapter 11. Adapting to survive. The mimic octopus changes its mimicry based on the predator it encounters, a rare adaptive skill. Chapter 12. A miniature marvel. These creatures are small, usually growing up to about 60 centimeters or 2 feet in length. Chapter 13. Mimicry over muscle. Unlike some of its octopus relatives, the mimic octopus is not a strong swimmer. Instead, it relies heavily on its mimicry for survival. This unique ability allows it to evade predators and hunt effectively. Chapter 14. The lionfish pose. To deter predators, the mimic octopus can spread its arms in a way that resembles the venomous spines of a lionfish. Mimic octopuses are solitary and territorial, often defending their chosen area against others. Their remarkable mimicry often saves them from larger, faster predators, enabling them to make a swift and safe escape. Their skin contains chromatophores, specialized cells that allow them to change color with astonishing speed, precision, and accuracy. Researchers believe mimicry may attract prey, but this behavior is still being studied. Chapter 19. The sea snake ruse. Mimic octopuses extend 2 arms like sea snakes, deterring fish who fear venomous reptiles. Chapter 20. Masters of camouflage. The mimic octopus is a master, seamlessly blending into sand, rocks, and coral. Chapter 21. Stealth hunters. They primarily eat small fish and crustaceans, hunting with stealth and impressive camouflage. Chapter 22. A brain built for deception. Their brains are larger than those of most other invertebrates, enabling the complex behaviors and decision-making required for their remarkable mimicry skills. Chapter 23. Family of illusionists. The mimic octopus is related to the veined octopus, known for its sophisticated camouflage. Chapter 24. Squeezing into safety. They squeeze into tiny spaces to avoid predators, showcasing their flexibility and agility. Chapter 25. A fleeting existence. Mimic octopuses live short lives, about 1.5 years in the wild. Chapter 26. A Mother's Sacrifice. Females lay eggs once, dedicating their lives to protecting them until they hatch just before the mother's passing. Chapter 27. Architects of the Deep. Mimic octopuses dig burrows in the sand, creating safe havens to rest and hide from danger. Chapter 28. 8 arms of versatility. They have 8 flexible arms, each moving independently, aiding their remarkable transformations. Chapter 29. Daytime deceptions. Unlike other octopus species, mimic octopuses are diurnal, most active during the day. Chapter 30. Sensory overload. Each arm is covered in suction cups, which are not only used for gripping, but also for feeling, tasting, and exploring their environment. Astonishingly, these creatures are colorblind, yet they still manage to create incredibly precise and accurate color changes for camouflage. It's a fascinating adaptation that continues to baffle scientists. Scientists believe their mimicry evolved in response to specific predators in their habitat. They can rapidly switch between various types of mimicry, even while moving, showcasing their incredible adaptability. Chapter 34. Intelligence for survival. The mimic octopus's intelligence is believed to be directly linked to its need for complex survival strategies in a challenging and ever-changing environment. Chapter 35. Jet-propelled escapes. They use jet propulsion to move quickly through water, but only in short bursts to conserve energy. Chapter 36. Vulnerability and adaptation. The mimic octopus lacks a hard shell, making it more reliant on its incredible mimicry skills for protection than many other marine animals. Chapter 37. Intriguingly, they can recognize other mimic octopuses, suggesting the possibility of a complex and sophisticated communication system. Chapter 38. Despite their defenses, mimic octopuses are preyed upon by larger cephalopods like cuttlefish and certain fish species. Chapter 39. Studying these creatures is challenging due to their complex habitats and mastery of disguise. Each mimic octopus has its own unique mimicry style, adding to their mystique and making them fascinating to observe. Mimic octopuses are closely related to the wundipus, known for its remarkable adaptive traits. Like all octopuses, they have 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills, 1 circulates blood to the body. Chapter 43. Blue blood. Their blood is blue due to hemocyanin, a protein binding oxygen differently than hemoglobin in mammals. Chapter 44. Behavioral mimicry. The mimic octopus is a rare example of an animal that copies both the appearance and movements of other animals. Opportunistic eaters. They take advantage of easy prey as they encounter it on the seafloor. Chapter 46. Mimic octopuses are usually found near the seafloor, though some swim in open water. Chapter 47. Their color and pattern adaptations are controlled by sophisticated nervous systems, giving them control over their appearance. Scientists believe mimic octopuses use mimicry more flexibly and in more ways than any other marine animal. Their unique behavior and remarkable intelligence have made them a popular subject for nature documentaries, captivating audiences around the world. Despite their incredible adaptability, mimic octopuses are still highly vulnerable to environmental changes, habitat loss, and increasing pollution levels. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about the mimic octopus, like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. The natural world is full of wonders, and we'll explore them together.